You can go ahead and share your screen deck if you want.
Mm-hmm.
I can pray and then we can do top-down analysis.
Do it.
Dear God, thank you for this day, Lord. Thank you for who you are and what you've done, God, just for how great you are. Lord, I thank you for these guys, Lord, that we get to come out. We come here, hang out every day, Lord. We ask for guidance just as we go about our daily lives, Lord. Continue to give us wisdom as we look on these charts this morning. Lord, and we give you all the glory, no matter what happens. Lord, we love you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Let's take a look at gold. Check the higher time frames. Daily closed up bullish. We're pushing back up. Getting back into all-time highs. 4 hour closed up previous bearish, but kind of with an exhaustion candle. Price just looks like it wants to continue up here on the 4 hour. Same with the hour. Previous close bullish. Let's get our ranges set. Got to be kind of weary about this level right here. We could get buys coming up into it. The 30. It's tough on the 30. We're kind of coming into this previous support, so we'll see how we react off of this. Realistically, we need a bit of fresh support on the 15 or the 30. We're starting to get overextended, but we'll see if we can close up above this level here. We just don't want to get caught up in buys and this just reject. There's a lot of chop looking left here, so just careful of that. I'm gonna have to wait to set buys above, sells below for another couple closures just to get a better understanding of where we kind of want to set our support and resistance at. So let's go over to NQ. Daily closed up bullish. We've filled that wick. We're kind of coming back down, so we'll see what we do. 4 hour close very bearish. Doesn't have much of a bottom wick on the 4 hour, so really looking for sells here for the most part on NQ, just based off the 4 hour. We're pushing up on the hour as well as the 30. 30 close, grab liquidity, close bullish, but based off the 4 hour, price really does look like it wants to come back down. I like the clean range we have below this level over here. 15, we're just in this, so go ahead and set our sells below here. Buys above. I'm telling you that the sells below font looks bigger. So 12. Am I just going crazy?
I think you're going crazy.
I am going crazy. Both the same. Anyways, yeah, that's analysis on NQ. I really like to see price pull back here, especially after 4 hour. I mean, you can see we're rejecting these levels right here. So sales look good coming back down on NQ. And gold, we kind of got to be patient and wait to see how this plays out off this level right here at 49.44. So what are your thoughts, Dyson?
Yeah, no, I completely agree, especially for gold here. We're just on such a bullish trend. But definitely weary of that level you have set.
Yeah, it's like I
Because
want to
even
have buys
above it,
above, sales of below, but it's like buys above I don't really want to be part of.
no, you're coming into chop and just a range.
Oh, I don't really want to be in sales at all with gold just because of how we've rallied lately. So
Yeah, if something comes up, we get a bullish closure up above, and then
pull
either
back.
an exhaustion play or a care package.
Yeah.
With a closure below there, I would like it coming back down into 31 for
And I'll have another
49,
level set
31.
right here
Yeah,
at 30, at 15. Because this could become a new support. So if we want to come back down and then buys coming back up here, could be in play. But NQ's
yeah,
looking
or
better.
take sells from, I say from the top up there. If we get one of our closures,
Yeah, on the
we can
30.
do a little range too. Sells
Mm-hmm. Range 2.
range too, man. Yep, I agree. How was everyone's week? You guys up still?
Let's go see Zane. Went in here. Did y'all hit Dixon last night, Zane? He might be slumped. I know AJ's not showing up.
Really?
Oh, for sure. He was itchy. He was itchy, man. It's been a minute. I guess a minute. It's been since probably December. But he was ready to hit the town. He got a couple new pairs of shoes. Well, and it feels like -17 right now. That doesn't sound terrible. -17. In Arkansas, we got to deal with +17. How about that? That's crazy, dude. Is it
Yeah.
snowing there?
If it's not snowing there, that's just brutal.
A little bit. You should just come on down to Fayetteville before the snow hits and ride ATVs and four-wheelers with us.
Are you
Camp out.
isn't I've seen stuff on like Instagram that y'all are supposed to get like 10 inches?
Yeah, it's wild. It's supposed to dump on us, dude. Like it's wild to me how people get when they know a storm's coming or something. Like I went to Walmart yesterday around 1 just to get re-up on white monsters. Everyone was like getting steak, eggs. Dude, it was like I almost got hit in the parking lot. Like
Really?
this person was looking to the right, trying to get a spot, whip into a spot, and I was just walking. Luckily I heard them and just backed out the way, and they slammed on their brakes. Flipped him the double bird. Just kidding.
No, dude,
But no, it's like the apocalypse, man. It's like it's straight hand-to-hand combat in the neighborhood market.
yeah.
Just like strolling around with my pack of white monsters. Like, yeah, let's go. It's gonna be all right.
Got, got the white monsters. That's all I need.
Like, we'll be snowed in for I don't know 4 days. I know people have families to feed, but we've had
What?
all week to prepare. Some dude backed into my car in the parking lot. Jeez. But then the old
Yeah, did you
satanic. No, okay, listen. I had to
They're good
re-up.
though.
They're good,
They're good.
but I've been drinking. I had to drink a couple of Cades, so I was just buying them some more. It wouldn't be fair.
But no, I have stopped drinking them a little bit since Jeff pointed since Jeff pointed that out.
Yeah. No, he's on that, and then what kills me to see people drink is a liquid death.
Really?
That
How
like
come?
dude, this might sound crazy, and to prove myself, I might have to pull up pictures. But like water is known to take form, like its molecules can take form of the words or like whatever it's surrounded by. So like they did a test where they put water into a bottle that had like positive words of affirmation and then a bottle with negative words of affirmation. And the difference in the molecules, like the molecules of the one with positive affirmations, they were beautiful. like look like crystals, you know, um, we're all like intact, but then the molecules, let me just pull this up. The molecules that the one with negative were all distorted and nasty looking. So it's like, why would you want to drink a can that says liquid death on it? I know it sounds crazy, but let me, how would I look this up?
Jim.
Not crazy.
Yeah. Genius marketing tactic, though, for the name. Wisdom of water, yes.
No, I think that's what it's called. The test.
How did you even stumble upon this?
I think
That's more of
my
what
dad
I'm
suggested she
curious
called
on.
one. It's my dad.
It's my dad.
Yeah. I mean, this is just like what I could find on. But like these are, you know, molecules of water where the words were, you know, positive, wisdom, truth. You see how pretty they are? And then when they said like you make me sick, evil, that's what the water molecules look like. It's very interesting.
Yeah.
Water has consciousness. Science and spiritually both suggest that water is more than just a physical subject or substance, carrier of energy and intention. I mean, it makes a lot of sense though. Like our body is, I don't know, 80. What's the statistic? 80% water, something like that.
Yeah,
30.
I think we're 70.
Japanese scientist Masamoto. I am a
I'm seeker
secret
of
scientist.
knowledge.
So I am tell.
I love it. Wait,
It's,
so
I
you
mean,
heard about
it's
it
just
through
really
Jeff?
interesting stuff.
You heard
Yeah,
about it through Jeff?
yeah, yeah.
My question is, where does Jeff hear about it?
Dude, you
You
get
like
to a
just search
point.
this stuff up, or
No, you know, I mean, you just it's based off the people you follow. It's your algorithm. It's like same thing when you first get into working out. You know, it's like one, your phone listens to you, and you also follow and watch videos, and then you start talking about like, oh, I need a better lift for my biceps, and all of a sudden you get a video or tweet. I'm a seeker of knowledge. Things come to me. Now we got him on a.
I love it. I love
Uh,
it.
you know, he's typing on his
Yeah.
computer. I'm a seeker of knowledge. He probably sounded it out too in an Asian accent.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. You know, it is truly scary how much these phones listen to you. I think I've been getting on Instagram enough to
You
start.
hadn't?
No, I really haven't.
Aren't you so cool? Lame.
And hip.
Yeah. You sound worse than me. Yeah, I haven't been getting on Instagram lately. My screen time's down. Just messing with you. No, that's a good it's a good thing. I've been back on the Fortnite kick.
Fortnite?
Yeah, Cade moved. We moved his TV into the living room, which just had better. It's a newer TV, and so it picks up. You know the old TVs when you're playing on a PlayStation, and it's like delayed. Every move you make, it's a little bit delayed.
I guess, yeah.
Um, His isn't, and we've been playing duos on the OG Fortnite map. It's
Dang.
it's bringing me back to my childhood.
To my childhood, aka freshman year of high school.
That's childhood, bro. We're getting old, man. You're 23, about to be 24. I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, I'm buddy back in my day. And this was kind of the idea. You'll start my coffee real quick.
NQ is coming back down. Closure below on the 30. The only thing I do not like is this level right here. Previous resistance turned support, rejection off of it once, twice, 3 times. It's just tough. Now the 15's getting a little overextended for me. Want to see kind of a fresh support almost. Previous hour did close bullish. We've got 30 minutes left of the candle. I know the 4-hour looks good to come back down. But I want to see some extra confirmation on a Friday morning.
Let's check news. See if we have anything at whatever. 7:30.
8:45.
Yep. Did you grab more or different coffee while you were at the store?
Didn't.
You really liking this vanilla then, huh?
You shouldn't have brought that up, dude. I completely forgot until now. Sorry, we're a walking distance away. I don't think the coffee should still be in stock. I'm gonna go probably here in a bit. But now that you remind me, I need that and some honey.
One more day?
Oh no, this is the account I'll take the payout on yesterday. This account is ready for a payout once I get it up above.
Nine. Above the negatives?
Yeah. This poor account, dude. I started this puppy
Literally.
in at the worst time.
Wow.
That was the last week of November where, dude, price was just terrible, and then we had a winning week in December. That's another tough one. December was just a chop fest, but looking good in January.
Yep. And, hey, that's impressive. That account's still surviving.
You're alive.
Shows. Yeah, having this hour close on gold too. Both gold and NQ, realistically. Unless we just get a great setup here, but NQ closed with no bottom wick on the 30
Mm-hmm.
or 15, and so
Yeah, definitely holding off probably till 8.
yeah.
Be back.
Mhm. You got a little different music going on today.
Yeah, man. Morning energy boost with lo-fi, uplifting, and chill beats.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, Golden and Q are just mirroring each other at the moment.
Mhm.
What's the first lift you're hitting once you get back? You know how sore you're gonna be.
Oh, I know.
You're gonna be like, I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna go. I need to
That's
ease
how I'm
back
gonna go
into it.
into it, but I'm gonna, yeah, first sip of pre-workout in me and beta alanine wanna lift every weight in the gym. It'll probably be a chest back, or I might just start with legs and get that out of the way.
Yeah.
But man, I don't know. I'll probably get some pull-ups in.
Some pull-ups.
Dude, I'm gonna be so sore. Yeah, I'll probably just do my normal split, but go
Okay.
easy. Go easy on all the lifts, maybe. Just go. I know I'm gonna pick up a 15-pound dumbbell and it's gonna feel like
Dumbbell bench. Yes.
same lift any man would do at first. So yeah, incline dumbbell bench, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably the first lift, but it's gonna scare me. I almost don't want to do it because
You're gonna
it's
tweak that shoulder.
yeah, it's a little risky.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, no, that
have you been lifting at your place, or is there a gym in California you've been
no,
going to?
I've just been lifting on base here
How long
recently.
was? Is that gym
Yeah.
pretty nice?
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Um, but yes, it just is like, well, do I want to go home? I go home, it's all nice and peaceful. Uh, and so it's like, well, walk past my computer. Well, there is a couple things I actually need to do real quick. So if I just stay on base and go work out, it's like, all
Mhm.
right, I need to actually work out instead.
Yeah,
So,
you're stuck there.
uh, yeah, and then sometimes it'll be dark too. Now it's starting to stay light a little later, but
When is it?
not,
When's sundown in California?
dude, I mean, it's probably still five something, like
Sucks.
6 p.m. maybe.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still pitch black outside right now.
Is it really?
Oh yeah,
It's also.
you can't see any light coming from my blinds back there.
Yeah.
Those those blinds do not keep
It's the
much
first
light
time I've
on.
been able to see those blinds, man. You finally cleaned up. It's
I
been like,
know. We have so much storage stuff that we're about to have to move again.
I don't know who it was, but we just had one viewer on the YouTube. It says
Really?
one watching now, but that's me. But we had
No,
two
that's
watching.
me too. I'm watching.
Oh,
I get it pulled up too.
we had 2 viewers there.
Yeah,
Like
that was
grouped out.
me.
Oh, that was?
Yeah, I was on my like account.
Damn
So you
it.
must not be watching anymore now.
No, I'm watching it.
Dang, it just still says one watching.
But it said 2 there for a bit. So I'm saying I think we might have had a viewer slip in. He got
Wow.
bored.
Yeah.
2 watching.
Huh?
2 watching now. It's probably Jacob or someone messing with us.
Yeah. Oh, look who's awake.
I went and yelled at him, said, "Get up." So we're about to take a trade. He said, Really?" Yeah,
Unmute me. No.
no, no shot. Sorry.
In the bonnet too. Is he actually yelling? Can you hear him from your room?
I got up a second ago and yelled. Did he leave? No. Hello.
Yeah. Oh. So bored.
GG.
Look what big Q's doing. Um, yeah, that's one of these times Jay's gonna actually miss a trade. Sleeping in.
He's going to his book reading at 8. Just told you to shh.
You got about 12 minutes to get there.
He'll walk out the door at 7:59. Teleport in a minute.
Is that your class at 8 a.m. or is that
Might be a Bible study or something. Oh.
Dappa? Y'all sit in a circle and read books?
I hate it. Do you have to read out loud to the kids?
Oh my God.
The effects of tequila. Did you hit Dixon last night?
I
Overly.
do. Yeah.
This is when AJ didn't deserve to say anything in the chat.
Oh my goodness.
Tequila, man.
No class for you today, Hudson? You got it later. You got it at 9:30. Dang. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's the worst time for class. Yeah, you probably just gotta get there early. Class starts. Sorry, teacher. This is market open. I need to take a trade.
I deleted AJ's chat. Dude.
I didn't even see
There's a
it.
timeout. He said something about. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Um, yeah, we were trying to talk to you a couple of times. Well, you were in class or said something about you, and I was like, oh yeah, Hudson can't even hear us. He's probably just looking at the screen, being like, yep, there's nothing happening.
when he passed his XFA, he took the trade, and his teacher was like, "All right, let's go," or something like, "Let's walk outside." He said he had to leave the trade as soon as he got into it, but he came back and passed it. He was pumped.
That's yeah. I was like, sometimes that's
It's the best way to do it.
yeah,
Set and forget. That's what all the gurus say.
yep. And especially once you have risk and profit set, really like the only other next move would be to move it to break even
Yeah,
and that's it. And then really you can walk away and do whatever because there's no risk on the table.
exactly.
You had to leave your computer for 15 minutes.
Yeah, dude, I've tried to set and forget, and we get in and out of trade so quick for the most part. When I do get on
Yeah.
the computer, I just like peek back at it. It's like there's no forgetting it. I'm just, or I've done it a couple times where, it's just one of those miss you by one tick
Mm-mm.
and then go to stop loss. I'm like, I could have been sitting on there managing that if it was dancing around, just gotten out,
Yep.
before it hit full.
I know those truly are the worst. Sickening feeling when that
Hmm.
happens. Um, what morning activities do y'all do, Hudson? Like,
Well, it's architecture, so I'm sure they had to like walk out and check a building or icebreakers. Oh, never mind. That's even worse.
well, no, yeah, he was like morning activities. I was
Oh,
like,
dude.
okay, jeez. And how many semesters you got left?
Like 7
Tom 101?
last semester.
Yeah.
The last. He's going to Europe in Bali.
When?
Bali. We're going to Bali in June,
Hey.
sometime around there. It's gonna be hot,
Oh yeah, I bet.
but surf. I'm gonna surf all day with my feet above water on
Yeah.
the board, like a dog.
Gay surfing. This is gonna be you, and you're gonna have no clue.
I know. Ah, dude. Just not knowing what's under you is what it really is. I don't care if it could be a dolphin. Still don't like it.
Oh, that's also whenever you put the strap on your ankle to like so when you fall or whatever, uh you stay attached to your board.
Yeah.
Uh bro, I would kick that sometimes and be like,
Oh, what was that?
what's that? I'm like, okay, that's just the I'm like, oh, that's just
Yeah,
the
we're surfing there. Dude, it's a big surfer sub. Supposedly you can get lessons for cheap too. Like $5 a day for a board. Yeah. Oh, dude, I got this. Yeah, in Lisbon, it was cheap too. Oh, you surfed in Lisbon? Lisbon? That's awesome. Oh,
Shark or sharp?
sharp. Interesting. Maybe, yeah, we'll have to do some more research on that. All the digital nomads that I've watched, they say they surf a lot and there's good spots, but I'm sure they keep you clear of them because that would suck. Cut up.
Is deck surfed? I don't. Other than wake
Yeah,
surfing.
wake surfing. It's like the same thing, you know. Yeah,
It's like the same thing. Yeah.
no, it's probably not, but I don't know. I got snowboarding, wake surfing, rip sticking, any of those. Pretty balanced. Q doesn't look terrible. So 4 hour looking like coming back down like we expected.
I just hate that there's no top wick. What is with NQ close with no wicks here? The 30-minute.
Oh, you're saying on the 15?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No top wick on the 15. Like the past two 15s have closed. And even now, three 15s now. No.
Now it's down into target tabs. I was thinking mainly on the 30 for that wick fill and it's created that nice top wick. Hour as well. Closing bearish. But it's just overextended at targets. But she came back down on the 4 hour.
Yeah, I mean, I still think we'll move here on the 4 hour.
Mm-hmm.
We're just now breaking the lows. I think there's just a lot of room to go.
Mm-hmm. And then on gold, if we can come back up, get a closure above, still in a chop on the 15. Never mind. Just looks a lot better on the hour, but
Yeah.
tricky. We got news 8:45.
News do we have for next week? Ooh. Yeah, unemployment claims on Thursday next week.
It's a big one.
Yep.
Some gross closure on gold on the hourly.
Dude, I was talking with chat and asking about Bali, whether there's sharks there after uh like just asking about where the highest shark attacks and where not to surf. Yeah, probably wouldn't surf in central central California. They're known for great white sharks, and they're pretty severe when they do happen, especially and I'm like,
Yeah, California's
yeah.
for it.
It said I was asking, I was like, what about Bali? And it goes, if we're being realistic, what you should worry about more than sharks in Bali, moped accidents slash road chaos.
Yeah, no, it's pretty crazy on the roads. But that the thing with the moped accident is like everyone's on mopeds, and so like you're not going over 15 or 20 mile an hour, so you really have to be like obviously you can still get hurt on mopeds, don't get me wrong, but it's not like, you know, you're doing 60 down a highway and a truck just smacks you, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, you do have to be pretty
Hey,
careful.
even at 20, you whatever a car comes.
Oh
I mean,
yeah, no, 20,
you're
but
fine, but it's not like
yeah, but majority there's not really many cars driving down the road at all. The main roads, yes. But yeah, you know, they're probably more likely to get into a moped accident. Well, 100% more likely to get in a moped accident.
yeah, you think I didn't do any like more research.
Before you went,
Yeah, bro, look at this.
going down a rabbit hole.
Yeah. Uh, can I copy this image? I'll just do this. This is exactly where we were surfing too.
Sheesh. You see shark? Yeah.
No, like yeah, like actually right where we were surfing.
It's like look at these dudes over here just surfing. There's a shark.
Dude, yeah.
Like,
Like underwater too, so no fins sticking out. Like,
I don't like it.
why not? Like, look how close that. And especially at that beach right there, dude, that's probably waist high. Like, I mean, I could probably still walk right there. You can see the sand.
Uh-huh, for sure.
We all can get distracted when we drive.
I actually didn't watch Shark Week, so
Shows. I've always, yeah, dads love Shark Week, but
really.
yeah, I've always watched Shark Week, dude. That's a great point. That's partly why I'm terrified of him. Roger F.
Yeah, I've never liked sharks at all.
Good luck, AJ, whatever you're talking about.
Yeah, that's what I have heard is not to go after it's rained or whenever it's like gloomy. Source Shark Week. But it's also just crazy that shark just chilling. Like, bro, what you doing right there?
Yeah,
Like,
I mean it is their house.
no,
I'm thinking the same thing.
no.
It is freaking crackers doing.
Take
Take a little nibble.
a little nibble.
Little nibbles your arm.
Yeah,
Right.
your whole leg just dangling off.
Mhm.
Not for Declan though. He'll be right on the board.
Dude, unless my surf instructor is a cute girl, hey, my that's the only thing that would get me to put my legs in the water and establish my
Do, do
man.
you know your board? Like it,
Hey,
like that board ain't gonna
unless it's
save
some
you.
smoke show, I'm keeping my legs up out of the water, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Seems like everyone's rushing around. Oh, and we're behind the wheel.
That is too funny. But don't worry, it says you're fine to go surfing there in Bali
Okay, good.
with no shark attacks.
Thank God.
What would gold do here?
Back up into the chop.
Yep. Yeah, now that I think about it, I didn't really watch any shows. Like, I didn't have any staple shows that I watched.
I'm gonna need a longboard setup for sure. I'm gonna need the biggest board they got. I don't care how I look or if it slows me down. On a
You're just gonna go
paddleboard.
paddleboarding instead.
I've seen people do that. Seems a lot sturdier.
This is what chat thinks you look like.
Oh,
Oh no, what happened? Where'd it go? Copy image.
so funny, Chad. So funny.
Yeah,
How about you add a little muscle? Yeah.
that's the first thing you look at. Oh my
Cute.
god.
Yeah, that checks out.
No. Unless like, let's go check out AQ. But nothing's looking great at the moment. Like you could potentially have buys off NQ, but I don't like it with how the 4 hour looks and how the 1 hour is, how the 1 hour closed.
Yeah, I agree.
Your charts aren't up.
Oh, they're up over here on this other side. My bad. It's weird that it popped off.
Yeah, just nothing looks. Nothing's looking good here.
Mm-mm.
Thing is those are still big candles on gold.
They are, dude. No, Raja tweeted last night. He was like, "This is the most volatile we've ever seen gold in history of mankind." But yeah, that's why the candles are just the ticks on each candle are absurd. Even Even when price is just kind of diddling around.
Like, man, it doesn't know what it wants to do. I'm like, oh, that candle's 80 pips already.
Yeah.
But
What do you have to do for Air Force stuff today?
got a ride. So going from whatever 10:30 to about 5. So that'll be fun.
Yeah. No rides. How many more do you have left?
We're on 17 out of 36.
Oof.
Yeah, next week's a lot of rides.
Halfway there.
Yeah, no, actually. We graduate in less than 2 months.
Minot, North Dakota, here I come.
Yep.
How's the house search been?
Well, let me go find the one we like. This is the one Grace liked. She's liked a couple. But this is the one she's liked the most. However, there's water leaks and stuff in some of it, so and they didn't know where it came from. So it's like, but our other house that we're looking at is
Do you like that? It's kind of, I mean, that's kind of pretty in the backyard. Nice trees.
no,
Yeah,
it's
I
yeah,
remember
it's
seeing this.
yeah, it's
Wait.
really it's nice. This is the other one. Grace is like, we're gonna have to do renovations.
Hmm.
Like, yeah. Um, this was the other one.
Yeah, you've sent this one.
Yeah, that one was nice.
Um, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that office space. It's the one with spiral staircase.
No, that one got sold.
Gotcha.
Grace was
Yeah,
sad about
paint the
that.
walls and you'll be good.
Yeah,
I like the kitchen.
Me too. I like how big it is.
Hmm. Yeah, but that's, I mean, I don't know what they were thinking with that
Like
incredible mustard yellow. That's
mustard
just,
yellow.
yeah, everywhere. Like,
Yeah.
dude, it just hurts my eyes.
Yeah, Jacob, that other house was nice. And so
Yeah.
Grace is like, you sure we can't fix the leaks? I'm like, we could. The other thing with that other house is the HOA fee is $300 a month.
For them to cut your grass and like
And
they have to
it's
put
mainly snow removal. But yeah,
like
I'm like, yeah,
I
kick
get snow
rocks.
removal to an extent, well, especially living in Minot, but like I
Dude,
don't
I'll
know.
go
Just
high,
looking
even
at
if
this
whatever.
picture, dude, like it's okay. Why would I mean, as long as you're careful,
Yeah, my truck's fine. Grace won't
your
probably
truck's
be getting
fine
hit.
pulling up into the snow there. You know what I mean? Like you
Yeah.
don't need to fully clear your driveway off. No man will come like, yeah, we've
Yeah.
had snow
No,
for
I
weeks.
agree. I would also like to not have grass to cut because then I'd have to get a mower for the 2 months that the grass grows there. If that month maybe.
Hmm.
But
Yeah, 300 is absurd for
I
snow.
dude, I know. I was like monthly? Like monthly?
Yeah. You can start a little side snow removal business, hire some people and be like, dude, these HOAs around here make you pay 300 bucks. We'll do it for 100 bucks.
Yeah, unfortunately, like most of the people there are just straight military people too.
Yeah. Be like,
Because
all right,
who's moving there for leisure?
nobody.
But,
Nobody.
you know.
Man,
I was almost not even opposed to like cells there.
on NQ.
Yeah, even gold coming down here, bro. Like, but it's also like it's right there. Needed a little more of a top wick,
Hmm.
little more volume before that.
Yeah, it's tough all around.
And I didn't want to take buys off NQ with how the 4 hours
Oh no, yeah.
looked. And I mean, you got such a strong bearish closure on
Previous
the
previous
previous
hours.
hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I would probably have to I'll probably end up getting a snowblower. The only issue is if I'm not home.
Grace could do it.
Yeah. I think the temperature there is currently -21, feels like -30. The high today, though, gets up to a big ol' -9. That's the high is -9 there today.
Oh my gosh.
They're gonna all right, you got work here, buddy. I don't have anything here. Let me tell you that much. I'm not doing any. -9 or high of -9. I'm staying
So
inside.
okay, so once you get to Minot, you're at that point, yeah, you'll be graduated officially. Like you're done with classes. So you're going in, that's when your hours get to be like
Week
over
long.
week long, and then you'd have like a week off or something.
Yeah, t typically. Um, so but it's also like it varies per squadron, per commander. So
What are you shooting for? Like, what do you
I would
expect?
ideally, I would not like to be gone for a week at a time. Even with the week off, it's just a lot.
Hmm.
So, or even some people have said that that sometimes based on your commander, whatever, that they may let y'all go home whenever you go topside, which is like when you're not underground for 24 hours.
Gotcha.
So,
Doesn't look bad if it wants to close below here.
yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I was like, that would be more
Like
of what I'd
one,
like
two.
from NQ. But who knows? It could have probably pushed down through there during 9:30 time. Mhm. No GeoGuessr for you? Man.
I was just thinking, man, I could rip a game of GeoGuessr right now. Why not?
I mean, we have just tapped targets
I know.
again
I
on
was,
the board on NQ, bro.
yeah, logged in everything. Let's go. Okay, where are we at? Stack of rocks. Nice. This doesn't even let me go anywhere.
This looks like
So we're gonna go ahead and go. Oh, wait, is that a? Is
that's
that
like
something that's?
European almost. It's like that's over there somewhere.
It's pretty broad. Nice and European.
Yeah, it could be Africa too. Could be Middle East. Someone. It's probably
Could be
not
Russia.
Russia.
I love Russia. It's like, okay, yeah, Russia. Yeah, let me just click right here. Like,
Right there, like I said.
hey, I should have known that. That's in Turkey. That's where my people are, man.
It's
Oh,
your
well,
people.
just over there. Just right here, man. Across this bridge and everything. Istanbul. This place is freaking huge, man. Okay. Not fooling me.
Famous rocks.
I know where these famous rocks are. Gosh, this thing can be tough to. I believe it's right outside of Galway. Ah, it's in England. This is in Ireland. I think I'm almost positive like my parents have a picture like right here. Here comes my dad. There you go. This is in Ireland, isn't it? It's happened to chat.
Somewhere.
We're at in Ireland. Clifton?
Lifted.
The cliffs. Cliffs of Moher.
Moher. Jacob, bro, I was thinking the exact same thing. That looks exactly like Lord of the Rings. And Cliffs of Moher.
Is it more south? Is it south to Galway or is it kind of up in this? South to Galway, okay.
Further. Further. We're about to close up Doji on NQ, bro.
Are we?
Yeah. And gold. Gold's doing gold things at the moment.
Like I'm too far.
It's around dueling.
Dueling.
Around dueling.
Dueling bag.
There's some cliffs right there. Are you near Doolin?
Wish there was a search bar.
Bet Doolin's bigger. You zoom out.
Dueling.
In the cave.
Crab Island. We're just gonna go right here on the dueling. Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
There it is.
There it is.
You gotta be kidding me. You had to like, I guess, yeah, it's right in front of my face.
Yeah,
Sheesh, man.
that did stick out a little.
Great Britain.
London Bridge.
Not too far down there.
He's in cube still running.
Mount Everest. Oh, Mount Kilimanjaro.
I was about to say this looks like a very tourist kind of place. That guy had a backpack on, looking like he was about to hike
Where's Mount
right there.
Kilimanjaro at? Yeah, this
Probably
dude looks
right there.
average. Your average backpacker.
Tourist.
That's a tall mountain. Where's
That would
Mount
be cool to go
Kilimanjaro?
there. Tanzania. Yeah, I was watching NQ. We can get a
Tanzania.
closer
You're
look.
definitely looking that up, Jacob. Don't act like you knew where that was. Come on.
I 100% looked that up.
They teach you guys any geography in the state. Dude, my geography is pretty terrible. It's getting better though. Um, Tanzania. That's
That's
where's that?
in Africa,
Okay.
um, northeastern or East Africa. Probably not by Saudi Arabia. Oh no,
There it is.
maybe Tanzania.
Mm. Yeah.
It's on geography.
Nice job.
Yeah, this is probably the word. I know nothing location-wise outside of the US.
America.
Like, I couldn't even like.
Mexico is part of South America for a
Yeah,
bit there.
Dak, if it's not in the US and it's in South America, it's just straight
Yeah, if
Mexico.
it's not in the US, dude, that's South America. I don't care what you say.
No, that's just Mexico.
That's Mexico.
That's
Like this is not
Mexico. It extends all the way down there. Oh my gosh.
you sure they're not reading to you,
They probably need to be reading to you guys.
AJ. AJ needs to hop off this call immediately. Oh man. I need to soundproof my room, dude.
Can you hear him?
Yes, dude.
Oh my gosh.
What happened to music?
Wait, Jacob, where are you from? Oregon?
Oregon, yeah.
Was that? Okay. Do they have better geography skills up there?
They're forced to, dude.
They're probably not.
Well, gold, we're pushing back up into all-time highs, aka the chop that we don't want to be a part of. So I'm out on gold. I'm also out on NQ. Um, we'll wait for this closure, and if we don't get anything, we'll go ahead and call it. We've had a green week. No reason to give our bags back to the market. It's the game we're playing.
Yep.
Defense, man.
Green week for show.
Um, yeah, overall, I'm really happy with Trades we took. It's a good start after the launch and a little 4-0 week.
Yep.
What do you know?
4-0 or 3-0?
3, my bad.
3.
3.
Yep.
3-0.
You never walk away when you're on a heater.
You never walk. Yeah.
Just buy.
Jacob's itching for that another 150-day profit.
Yep. How many days do you have, Jacob? 2 or 3?
He's got 2 now.
2. Nice. There we go.
Patience, my friend.
Yeah. It's always the hardest part, because then now you gotta wait till Monday. But
Be itching.
better that than being like, well, I worked so hard all week and then I
Give it all
over
back.
risked and took a bad trade on Friday, and you gotta wait all day Saturday and Sunday.
Dude, honestly, that was one of, like, in the first, I would say, like 2 to 3 months where I finally was like, I got this down. I know what to do. I'm trading with Nick. We're taking good trades all week. There was a good 2 or 3 months where half of my weeks I would give it all back in one trade on a Friday. Just getting into something that it was kind of a good setup, but markets they're just always pretty volatile on Friday. And literally I would have a green Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then just a fat red day on Friday. You go into the weekend pissed off that you gave it all back. You're like, what was I thinking? Just not worth it.
Yeah.
Devil up before
I know.
home.
I know. I'm the same way in the casino too. I'm like, let's double up here. Like, pretty much go big or go home.
Yeah, I'm down to. I'll send a link out for Power Hour today. I don't have anything going on. We'll see if we get anything to set up.
You know, and gold's still moving. So,
Yeah.
Because the playbook works high times of volume, and then once we get our setups too. So sometimes, like there for a little while in October and November, we were able to take trades. I would hop on my computer and I'm like, wow, gold is still printing 200 pip candles at like 11 a.m. Eastern time or noon or just some random time where it's like, huh. But as long as you have volume, that's whenever it works too. So if there's no volume, get out of there.
Get up out of there.
Yeah. But
there's definitely a it's from trader to trader. But for me, that's why I was able to really resonate with Nick at first. I was like, I don't want to be staring at these charts, driving myself crazy all day. I want to hop on, set a certain times every day where I get on for a couple hours, and that's my time every day, to be fully locked in and understand how price moves at that time during the day. So there's like, for some people, they're willing to just stay on till 12. For me, like, if I'm not seeing anything by 9 and any potential moves between 9 and 10, I'm like, I'm done for the day. It's better for me and my psychology to just hop off. Like, less is more with the charts. That doesn't mean I don't, if I have work, I'll be, if a good setup presents itself, like you said, at 11, I'll take it. Or even before Asian sometimes when market's moving really well. But you'll drive yourself crazy trying to find a move when there's not one.
Yeah.
Or like even for me, later in the session, if I was debating on hopping off early just because it's a Friday and I want to go into the weekend green, we'll take one that could be a good setup, and if it's a loss at the end of the day, that is probabilities, and that's what we played. But if you're green, man, just we robbed a bank, and there's no point of waiting around for the cops to come.
Yep. Get out of there.
Get up out of there.
Get up out of there. Yep. It's like the markets will be here Monday, no matter what you do today. So yeah, I won't be on Power Hour today. Just be careful as it is Friday. So
Yeah,
with Power Hour market, like it's last hour before the market closes for the weekend. So
that's a good point.
I mean, if volume's there, take it. Like,
I know.
but if not,
It'll be off of one account, lower risk. It's if volume's there and we get a good setup, we're taking it all day long. Just yeah, like you said, we gotta err on the side of being really careful.
yeah, it's just not much is
We're gonna
not
take
much is
this
there.
nice and fret not. Fret not,
I always fret.
for sure.
No, it's so easy to not take it though. Chasing them yellow chips. Come on.
AJ has issues, dude. If I could put tape over his mouth, I would. Just chatting away.
You can hear him?
Yes.
Oh my-
Verbatim.
Verbatim.
Said you better be lucky. I respect you enough not to break into your room. Alright guys, let's say
Yeah.
call it here. Gold's coming back down. The 15 is just we've created too much chop. If this was happening over here before all this right here after 6, and
Yeah.
I wouldn't have been opposed to a little fade here, but
Yeah, but still, it's just
we're so bullish, man.
so bullish, and we still closed up above. Like,
On the hour.
these are kind of the sort of fake outs that I don't
Don't
that
like.
I don't like. Granted, I mean it 4-hour lower wick, but I just look how gold just is pushing back up. So, and there's no clean range to take it into,
No.
or like no support. So
There's not. Let me end the YouTube.